you do a countdown?
I don't know.
I can see your finger like tapping the screen. Okay. So today we're going to talk about the Hart half-inch drill and impact driver kit. It includes a half-inch drill driver, impact driver, 2 batteries, 1.5 amp hours.
Yeah.
And a charger, double-ended driving bit, single-ended driving bit, operator's manuals. Okay, this is the box that it comes in. That's the box that we received it in. Okay, so open it up. In case you noticed, charger's outside the box. It didn't come that way, but it's outside the box. And this is the way it looks. Because we were using it at the moment to charge the battery. Because they came with 100% depleted batteries. Okay. Lets you know. That means blinking. And that's just like a solid. And then that's like if there's an error, I guess it blinks and then solid, blinks and solid. Alright, down to business. This is how it looks. Get the box out of the way. You don't have to. Oh. This seems like it's metal, but it seems like it's not, right? I don't think that's metal.
Maybe aluminum, I don't know.
No. That seems like it's plastic.
But that's heavy.
It is heavy. It has some weight to it.
Sure.
It might be metal, I'm not sure.
Okay.
So this is nice for what it is. Just getting the information for you guys. Here's the driver bit. It's not double-ended.
Oh, I see.
20 volt Hart. Wait one moment. Pause it. I should say. Okay, so I have a magnet right here. Let's see. It is a magnet. It is a magnet.
It's a metal.
It is metal. It seems like it's metal. It seems like it. Maybe not. It seems, because this is a very powerful magnet, okay? And I can't. Okay. I got it. Yeah, okay. And the reason why I say this is because when it sticks, it really sticks. It's a powerful little sucker. Okay? Now here, not sticking. What it's sticking to is the metal underneath this plastic. Because like I said, it is a powerful magnet. Therefore, it is not metal. Get a battery. Does this have charge on it? Okay. All right.
Okay.
Excuse me. Sorry about that.
I can just go.
Yeah, but you don't have to. Okay, in case anyone wants the information. There's no light on the battery. like in some models. Oh, but there is a light on the unit. There you see it. There's a light. Yeah, turn it off, please. You might have to get the other lights as well. So,
Turn it off.
yeah, turn off the other lights, please. That way they get a feel for, hey, I'm working in the dark. So there you go. It is. I'm surprised. It looks brighter though on camera. I'll admit. Like if I'm looking here in person. No, you know what? I'm gonna say compared to the which one do we have that has a light on it?
Rigid.
I don't know. Yeah. But we have one with a light on it, and it's not as bright as this one. I will admit that is a pretty bright LED on there. Light. Feels very responsive. And this is brushless or no?
Maybe not.
I could have swore this was brushless, but might have to cut that out, I guess. Seems smooth. Forward and reverse. And this is the impact. Now, we'll talk about the...
That's heavier than the Craftsman.
Yeah, if you guys have any experience with a Craftsman, you hit the camera. This is a little heavier, heavier duty. It's heavier components inside. Here's the double-ended driving bit. Feels nice. I'm surprised. Oh wow, that is a that is a super hard click. You're not gonna be wow. Going to 2 isn't that hard, but going back to 1 is really tough. It is hanging on. That is tough. Okay, and you got all your... This is actually kind of quiet.
Yeah, compared to...
Yeah. And that's the drill. Yeah, 20, maybe 24, 25.
22.
22? Because it goes from 16 to 20. So it might be 24, I guess, there. But 20. I don't know if they gauge it like that, if they do it like that. But yeah, this is quiet. There's nothing like we have like a Bostitch,
yeah,
and Rigid, and they're kind of like
Decker before.
Black and Decker, and they're like loud clicks. This one's very mellow, like muted. Nothing. Okay, testing this. This is on 1 and on drill. So that's 1/2 inch. Now let's get to 2. Not bad. Nice quality. It's I'm surprised at the quality. It is heavy. It has a lot, like a nice weight to it. This might be heavier than we have a Boss Stitch, and I think this is heavier than the Boss Stitch. Maybe really surprised. Nice colors, but that's really nice color. It's something different, you know. After staring at DeWalt the yellow and Milwaukee the red all the
Yeah.
time, and orange for
Rigid.
rigid, yellow for the Boss Stitch as well. So it's a nice little change.
Boss Stitches Stanley company.
Yeah, so is Black & Decker. I believe they're under Stanley or with Stanley, whatever. But yeah, so that's I believe all that comes with, and then you got the other battery. You got the manuals, which looks like they were left out in the rain or something. Okay, a little rankly. But yeah, so this is basically it, and I'm kind of surprised. I'll admit, this is nice. They have like a very quality feel to them, and the weight is there. I don't think there's a lot out there about these because this is a relatively newer, on the scene. Everyone knows already Black & Deckers, and all those other ones, but this, I was kind of waiting to get our hands on something like this, and finally testing it out. I'm kind of surprised. I'll admit. I thought this was gonna be another sort of like a Black & Decker, and this seems like and we had Black & Decker and Boss Stitch. Black & Decker, in my opinion, is here. Boss Stitch is like kind of here. It's a little further up and away from Black & Decker. Black & Decker seems like mostly home use, and Boss Stitch, it's a lot of power in there. RPMs, like, they're really tough feeling, and they handle a lot. I like the Boss Stitch drill we have, and we've tested Milwaukee as well. And Milwaukee, yeah, that one's kind of further away from Boss Stitch. But this one, I have to admit, it has a lot of weight to it. I thought it was going to be kind of cheap. I hate to say that. Like, just looking at it, I was like, well, I don't take it serious. It feels really quality.
Seems like that one's bigger than the DeWalt, compact DeWalt.
Oh yeah.
We
Compact
we bought a
DeWalt.
compact DeWalt. It's like kind of small.
Yeah. But yeah, if you're looking for something, and I know people are gonna say, well, the warranties and all that's what really matters to them, and where it's made, everything like that. This is a limited 3-year warranty, but it feels like some quality stuff. Time will tell, right? Everyone knows that already, and you already know where it was made. Like a lot of places, a lot of companies, everything's coming from there. So can't really do anything about it until they wake up and try to make the customer happy instead of saving some money. But either way, right? The customer's going to be pissed off about the price or where it's coming from. So can't make everyone happy, I guess. But yeah, if you're in the market for something like this, they have some weight to it. Is this comparable to rigid, I would say, or even a little heavier than rigid, right? Like maybe around rigid quality or feel. And it feels pretty good. I am surprised. I thought it was going to be a cheap brand, but now I know that we can, definitely put these to use, and they look like they can take a beating. They feel like it. So this is the review on the Hart 1/2-inch drill and an impact driver kit. 2 batteries, charger. Pick one up if you're interested.